Yo, this is Tony, and this is my quiz. Some crazy shit going on here. Let's check it out. This is my homie, Weasley. What's up? How's it going?
Yeah.
Let's go to my other homie, Capello. He's a French guy.
Ah oui.
How you going, man?
Jag sjunger badbas här.
You're gay there. How are you? This is our Steven.
I really don't know where we got him.
It's useless, they're idioter, incompetente. Monk, beta americana.
Yo, okay, man?
Yeah, he's okay. Leave him.
Whatever. Come on.
Bedroom.
Oh, yeah, right. I'm gonna check out my bedroom here. This is my bedroom. Sleeping right here. There, I lie like here with my pillow and stuff, and it's quite comfort. Stop hating, man. Oh, check out my bike. This one's really tight. You see the marks? It's GT, gangster train, you know? It's tight. What?
The gangster news is on. It's on. It's on.
We gotta go. Yeah. Go. Go. Oh, let's put on the TV.
Put on TV or 50-inch plasma TV.
Right.
Come on. Now.
では毎日ニューヨークです。今朝も佐野さんです。
おはようございます。おはようございます。ニューヨークは一日こんな感じで曇りです。気温は 0.5 度となっています。
God, the team is expanding.
No, the Lindgren. We should stop them. They're taking our territory.
Gotta train.
Oh no! We need to attack them.
No.
Last time we lost.
We should
be careful. We should come prepared. We'll defeat them.
We do. All the jealous punks can't stop the dunk. Coming from the school of hard knocks, some perpetrate. They drink Clorox to crack the black because I know they lack exact. The cold facts is still they try to Xerox.
Expand the Lindgren. The Lindgren. No. Yes. No. We lost in the rap attack last time. What should we do?
Radio scared of me, cause I'm mad, cause I'm the enemy. Just made the rules. Remember there's a need to get alarmed. Again I said I was a time bomb. In the daytime, radio scared of me, cause I'm mad.
Yeah, whatever. Let's go now.
What are we looking for here, anyway?
Ah, you see, my friend, Whistler, there's a secret magazine.
What is so secret about?
It's from Sweden. But you know... Come here, boy! Come here! You want him? You got the same illustration. Hey! Get out here! Bring him back on Monday! I'm boss.
Yo! You get what you need?
Look here.
Holy shit. It's Bamse. It's a legend I've ever told. I thought this day would never come. We got what we need. Now we gotta fight back.
Are we?
We're gonna use this to win this fight.
Yes.
And we will be the champions. Whoa. Can't believe this is so nasty. Yo, where's Weasley?
They said he will go on Hogwarts.
Okay.
Hello, guys.
Yo,
Hello.
where have you been?
I went to Hogwarts, you know, the usual. But why you walk so funny? Did that Potter boy bully you again? Yes. Let's stop talking about it.
Okay, man. Yo, should we prepare for the battle?
Yeah.
Let's go then! Yeah!
Yeah.
Off, man!
Have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of
Blizzard.
evil.
Mystery Man!
Yeah, Team Pirate! Ha! Showdown!
They gonna do them. We're gonna crush them.
We are
Team Mystery Man!
Team Lindo! You take it first. You back up. I take for this last blow. Wait.
Yes.
I'll go first.
Ah oui!
You're such a tool. Your mama is a fool. She has no swagger, and she looks like Mick Jagger.
You suck, man! You suck!
You suck.
You suck!
No! No!
It's over! It's over!
Mystic, you take it.
You, man! It's okay. You did well. You did well.
You will fulfill
okay.
this.
Let's go for it now. He's gonna do it.
You look like a cat with a little hat. And your mama is a flower. It shall run out of power.
You suck as much as he did! Go away! You suck, man! You suck! Oh, you just saw what happened! I'm gonna revenge you guys! I'm gonna finish! Can you shut up? Can you shut up? Shut up! Shut up! I'm gonna finish what I just started. I'm gonna revenge you guys. This is time. When I strike back, you're gonna get down this time. Okay, so here's the thing. You're so ugly that even your mom wants you, you know? And the trees, they don't even look at you when you... Oh. Yeah. And you're fat, you think you're the leader, but you're the defeater. And your mama's fat. You suck, man. Where am I? Is there anybody there?
Have you forgotten?
What? Who are you?
Your destiny.
Whoa, that's scary, man.
Remember your destiny. Remember yourself.
Yo, what? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, now you're in my domain. How do you feel about that? Yo, I'm tired of your shit. And I'm gonna fucking kill you now. What is that? You're finished. Let's see how you're under the mask. No way. No fucking way. Steven! No!
You okay, pirate? What are you doing? What happened?
I defeated
What
boss.
happened? Why is the mask here?
Steven.
Where is he now?
He disappeared.
Oh well.
Yeah.
High five! We won!